In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step authentication on Yahoo Mail, a process that takes just a few minutes but significantly boosts your account's security. Let's dive right in with a clear and comprehensive walkthrough. First, you'll want to head over to the Yahoo login page. It's essential to ensure you're on the official site for security reasons. If you're not already there, type yahoo.com into your browser and click on the mail icon to prompt the login page. Once you see it, type in your Yahoo email address. Make sure it's the correct email linked to the account you plan to secure with two-step verification. After entering your email, proceed by clicking the Next button. Now, input your password carefully. Remember, your password is your first line of defense, so never share it with anyone to maintain the security of your account. Once you've entered your password correctly, click Next. Great, you're now logged into your Yahoo Mail account. The next step is to locate the account info section. This is usually found by clicking on your profile or the gears icon, depending on your interface. Once there, hit Account Info, and you'll be directed to the settings page housing all your account details. Within the settings, you need to look for the Security section. Here, you have control over all security settings related to your Yahoo account. When you find it, click on Security. This is where the real magic happens. Scroll down until you see the two-step verification option. Enabling this feature is our goal today. Click on Turn On to activate it. At this point, Yahoo will ask you to choose how you'd like to receive your verification codes. Typically, this can either be via text message or through an authentication app. Generally, choosing a text message is the most convenient option for immediate access. But of course, pick the option you're most comfortable with. Enter the necessary information to set up your chosen method. After you've set that up, Yahoo will send a test verification code to ensure everything works smoothly. Enter the test code you receive, making sure to avoid any errors during this step, as it's crucial for the setup process to complete correctly. Once your code is verified, congratulations! You have successfully enabled two-step verification on your Yahoo account. With this additional step, anytime you or someone else attempts to sign into your account, a verification code will be required, adding that extra layer of security. It's a simple yet highly effective way to safeguard your personal information and gives you peace of mind knowing that your Yahoo account is more secure. And that's an easy process that can keep your account safe from unauthorized access.